You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from science once and for all correctly. This is usually related to the name of an acid. By the way, if you want to learn more names from biology, science, medicine, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you to watch. There are slightly different pronunciations. Generally, British English is as nucleic, okay? Nucleic. Nucleic. Now, the Americans say it as nucleic. Nucleic. So it's a new sound rather than a new, and a cle and an ek. Now, sometimes the cle sound sounds like a cliac, all right? It's nucleic, because kind of it's not really natural to say nucleic. So when you say it quickly, kind of sounds like nucleic, all right? But it's normally a cle sound, all right? Nucleic, British English, or nucleic, American English, unless you say it quickly and then it kind of becomes nucleic. That's why you often hear that. But now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.